Welcome to the Sunflower State, Kansas, where there are plenty of amazing destinations for a memorable vacation. First on our list is the Kansas state capital, located in Topeka, where you can explore its stunning architecture and rich history. Next up, we have the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve, a vast expanse of grasslands that is home to a diverse range of plant and animal life. If you're a history buff, you won't want to miss the Eisenhower Presidential Library and Museum in Abilene, where you can learn about the life and legacy of President Dwight D. Eisenhower. For a unique experience, visit the Stratica in Hutchinson, an underground salt mine turned museum where you can take a tour and learn about the mining process. And finally, don't forget to visit the iconic Monument Rocks, also known as the Chalk Pyramids, in Gove County, which are considered some of the most impressive natural formations in the state. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or unique attractions, Kansas has something for everyone to enjoy on their vacation. So pack your bags, and get ready to explore the wonders of the Sunflower State. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.